Welcome to MaseroGarage, and today Sergio is going to be showing you how you can weld a floor patch in your car that might be in an uncomfortable spot to reach.
Yes, there are many different techniques to get to the shape or size of your metal pads that you need to weld, but when you cannot get under the hole, some of those techniques can get very tricky. That's why I like using the technique that I'm using in today's video.
So stick around.
Begin by taping off the area that is damaged due to the rust. Here, I'm using this angle grinder that I got from Harbor Freight for under $20 with a cutting wheel. Be patient with your cuts. The more precise and straight they are, the easier it will be to make the pads. Now I'm putting a piece of cardboard just so that I don't get paint past the hole. Using masking tape, tape off the edge of the cut so that we can get precise lines from our paint impression. Any spray paint that you may have laying around, but it's very important to not let it dry. Use a thin piece of cardboard and push firmly against the paint. Now we should have a perfect impression of the shape and size for our metal patch. Clean up any excess paint before it dries out so that we can have a clean surface for nice welds. Very carefully cut the inside of your paint impression. Now is a good time to go back to the car and see that your template fits well before cutting into any metal. Use a Sharpie to trace your template onto the metal. And now we're ready for some cutting. I find that a vise helps a lot to hold the metal in place while cutting. Go back to the car to check for a good fit. Now it's the time to make any adjustments with cutting or grinding. When you're satisfied with how your patch is looking, get to grinding. Use a flat disc to clean up the metal really well so that we can get clean welds. This is looking pretty good, so now we should be able to go to the car, use some magnets to hold the piece in place, and get to welding. I'm starting by doing some butt welds. Space them about an inch apart, and then slowly keep closing the gap until you are completely done welding your patch. I'm using a Lincoln 140 MIG welder with pass. The power setting is B and the wire speed is 4. Now that all the welding is done, we're almost there. Just get your angle grinder with a grinding disc and grind down your welds. Guys, I'm not a professional welder by any means, but I'm happy with this result.
Woo. Hi, you scared me there. Did you guys like the video today?
I hope you guys found pretty useful the paint trick, and if you did, I hope you get to use it in one of your projects.
If you do use it in one of your projects, leave it in the comments down below. We'd love to hear if it worked for you guys.
And if you'd like to get one of our Chevy Nova t-shirts, let us know in the comments. We can make them available for you guys.
And if you like the video, as always, please hit the like button down below and share. But most importantly, subscribe, because we'll be putting out many great videos by MaseroGarage.